What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. You want to subscribe so that way you get this content, you get this information first. You get the opportunity to make or position yourselves to make the most money. So we got a very big update. They done let vechain through the door, man. So the gate is officially open. Of course, y'all knew this was happening if you already been rocking with the channel, but gate.io now has vechain available live for trading. So that just opened us up to like a possibility of I think they have around like 10 million different users, if I'm not mistaken. So as that exchange's user base learns more about us, you know, our holder base will grow as well. So very excited about that. We got a couple updates here, you know, in the Vote Army. Salute to all y'all that are, you know, talking about this, excited about this, sharing information about this. You know, like I told y'all before, we have to grind for our bag as well. You have to, you know, take the initiative to also get the word out there about vechain, you know, and, you know, it's not saying to tell people to buy, but just educate them about it, you know, let them do their due diligence, or, you know, make them aware of vechain so that way they can do their due diligence. But vechain says, always remember where we come from. Always remember, we'll vote it to the top. So Pablo Crow and Power tag right there, vechain, vote army, and then Pablo and VC in December, the making of two legends, Pablo and VC after Power joined. So salute to those two. Vote USD, vechain update, lovely breakout candle on Vote, but keeping an eye on whether we can remain above this range high or not. Regardless, this is one meme coin I am in for the next cycle, one of the top ones out there. Definitely would have to agree, and we're going to do a little technical analysis in this video as well. Just want to cover everything going on. Shout out to Crypto Chase, said the voting ones. Chris Crypto Senior says, oh, that's not even in English, but he's showing, I think that's in Paris, and then one of the VDSC NFTs. So Leo Paris, Hussein Yildiz, vechain Turkey, not sure what that is. It looks like some type of event, you know. It says Tu Bolum, I'm not sure what that means, but 9/9/2022. So it's happening today. So shout out to whatever this is, but it's obviously, you know, supporting the Vote Army. So vechain or Vatoshi says, holders can lie, transactions don't lie. Mobile Expression says, Vote is trending on gate.io, soon on every single central exchange. vechain, VDSC, salute. So as you can see, they just added vechain. That's why the percentage says up 1,000 plus percent. That's because it's basically starting off from zero or whatnot. Believes Crypto said, vechain update, the gate is open. Might be time to vote. Listed on gate.io a few hours ago. A gate leading to some voted upcoming weeks if you walk through it. So, you know, you got to connect the dots. You know, this is really getting vechain in the position to be able to soar, you know, making it more accessible to new investors and people that, you know, have a harder time using some of these decentralized exchanges. So very exciting, because some people don't want to have to, you know, they don't want to have to go buy ETH or BNB and then go to a uniswap or, you know, PoolCoin or whatever to try to swap it for vechain. They rather just, you know, be able to sign up, KYC, connect their bank account, and then, you know, basically be able to purchase some Vote from a trusted exchange. So She Rumor says, I will never stop supporting vechain. Salute. What's this? The Crypto Monk is showing a chart of vechain breaking through previous levels of, well, we found it, we broke through support here. It was supported. Then we broke through and found support below this line, and now we broke above it to dip back below it again, and now he's showing that we're back above this support line here that we were, having some trouble getting over for, a little while. It looks like since almost the end of August or whatnot, we've been held under this line as a resistance. So it's good to see. And also, if you notice, those candles are, they got some, some confidence in them. So the Tidex Global says, dear users, we are pleased to announce that Volt token will be listed on Tidex starting 9/14/2022. So more exchange listings to come. I told y'all, once Gate.io is listed, or has Vote listed, that will set off a trend of a ton of other exchanges, getting in where they fit in, because these exchanges make money as well. So of course they want to get in. So September was simply one thing for Vote, extremely bullish. He's showing, and September is only just getting started. It's only the 9th. Keep that in mind. Jake said Volt Inu up 97% in 1 week. So it pulled back. Obviously I tried to tell y'all, to get in position so that way you had the opportunity to take profits if you wanted to. I showed y'all, we got the chart up right here, how to determine where other people were likely to take profit. And also I told y'all about buying the rumor and selling the news. Most likely that people will buy up the price in anticipation of the listing and then sell off. But good thing that what I'm seeing here on the chart is us finding support at some areas where we were previously seeing some resistance. So take a look here at the chart. You can see we're riding along that upper Bollinger Band until we started to hit that R3 level. Once we hit that R3 here, the resistance 3, people started to take profits right after it broke it. And those key levels with the R3, R4, R5, when you see those levels coming up, people are likely to take some profits around that range. So you can either join them or you can anticipate that and know not to get rocked out of your position once you see the price start to have some correction. It's only natural to have some correction. They say, these prices take the stairs up and the elevator down, so you wanted to, the more healthier, the more it can kind of, staircase its way up versus just skyrocketing right up, it's going to crash faster. So as long as it can, kind of, break out, find some support, break out, see some resistance, support, resistance, support, and they can play that out, it will grow healthily. So right now we are finding support. We're on the 4-hour chart too, so we're finding support right above the mid Bollinger Band. But taking a look at our RSI sitting at a 56 right now, we could possibly cool off a little bit more if we look at this last point here on the RSI was at a 51, and it's kind of finding some. In a few areas, y'all might not be able to see this a little light, but here they find it that they use that area 51 as a support, and here we are seeing some resistance around that 51 range. Here again some resistance, and here it's kind of a little support, but it fell through it. So I wouldn't be surprised, if it did want to pull back a little bit. The volume is low. Look at the sellers really took over right in that range. A lot of people took profit. Then the people who panic sold, got shook out of their position. And then we get the smart ones that step back in and come buy it up for cheap. But good thing that we're seeing it holding support of this mid Bollinger Band. Because once it's up here, that if you're buying it at this price, that's considered it's more expensive for that price. So smart money will try to wait to get it more around these value areas like the mid Bollinger Band or even the lower Bollinger Band if it was breaking underneath that band. But for right now, it does appear to be holding support. So I think, we can continue to see this thing climb right now. We're just going to give it some time to play out. I would like to see the MACD more prepared to cross back over this line, but it still looks like the MACD wants to it hasn't looked like it curled up yet to start to make that turn. But I'm just gonna keep a close eye on it for right now, to make sure I'm in position and it doesn't slip past me. Hopefully y'all find this information valuable. We definitely will have an update coming if I see anything moving crazy, but this is why we already positioned ourselves weeks ago and whatnot, to be able to not have to panic in times like this. If you wait till the last minute all the time to make your move, it's going to create a lot of anxiety, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that's just those are ingredients to emotional trading, you know, so or emotional investing, and that's a recipe for disaster right there. So you want to make sure you're always keeping a level head, keep the emotions out of it, never risk more than you're willing to lose. Understand that this is not financial advice, financial information, education, whatever you want to call it. But I'm very excited about the future of vechain. You know, gate.io listed. A lot more. We got 2 more central exchanges coming in September, I believe, big ones, tier 1. So very excited about that as well. But I'll keep y'all updated, y'all. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Watch out for the scammers in the comment section. Check the links in the description section of this video for some free resources, free stocks, everything. Check all that out. And we are out.